I'm gonna show you a day of a surfer, a mini vlog. Have a look. I'm ready for the surf session because the last 3 days Flo is here. Flo, your illustrator and professional illustrator who created the surf books with me together, is here, and he's all about longboarding, me as well. So we decided to go to a surf spot which is beautiful here in South Spain. So have a look in this vlog. It's gonna be tiny but exciting. At my camper, that's the first thing I did. Have a look. The boards are already in. 2 beautiful longboards, a 9.8 and a 9.6. And we have everything prepared. Have a look. Leashes and fins and the wetsuit. That's it. Close the camper and then we go. The sun is shining. Guck mal, Flo is here.
Guck mal,
Hey.
danke, hallo.
Excited about some longboard waves again?
Yes,
Second
always.
session. Let's go. Excited?
Maybe. Let's
How
see.
does it feel to walk to a surf spot every morning and you don't know how the waves are?
I know they're really good.
Happen, it's too small on this surf spot.
I was completely wrong.
Yeah, but we go back to the other surf spot because it's slightly bigger, longboardable, it's higher tide, and then I'm gonna give you an update there.
Take 2.
Yes, second spot. Should be a little bit bigger. Is it enough? We decided. We go in. We go in. Yes. It's big enough. To the wetsuit. And here we go in our wetsuits. It's wet and cold from yesterday, but the surf is looking good. So we're gonna use those 2 longboards for a little surf session. We will tell you how it was afterwards. See you later. Oh, we just came out of the water.
Yes.
Every day you can learn something. What did you learn today?
Oh my god.
Total
what did I learn
honesty.
today? I learned
Maybe
I don't
energy
know, man.
management?
energy management. I learned that I need some time after surfing to figure out what I've learned because my brain is full of salt water.
Today, even for me, I learned something. When there's a thicker wave with longboarding, a thicker wave, and I drop down, don't immediately do the cross step. Wait a little bit until you're up and then do the cross stepping. But we have a... Oh wait, we're gonna show you a small tip. See here, look, wait. How to get your screw plate out. Have a look.
Not like this.
Yeah, usually you have a screw plate like... You have to screw inside. Okay, we're gonna do another video about that. But have a look, it's so cool. Look, seagrass, beautiful. I just arrived home, and yeah, trust me guys, surfing takes a while. Especially, I mean it's 12:30 now, and I just came home with Flo. We checked one surf spot, it was too small, driving to the other one, which is only 15 minutes away. Surf for an hour and a half. Wetsuit out, boards in, coming home. Now chilling with my doggo. She's a Spanish queen. Chilling in the sun. Okay guys, it was the first vlog ever about surfing and how I live here. Right now I'm in Spain. I rented this Spanish house, combined with my camper. A lot of outside space to teach you and make YouTube videos with my longboard balance trainer with this nice palm tree behind me. And all the knowledge you need. Here is the place I do the live workshops every month, and I hope you like this small vlog. If you're not already following, follow, subscribe, and comment below what kind of problems or what do you want to more see on this channel. Can't wait to teach you more. I'm Daniel, co-founder and I say 2 surf coach. See you next time.